training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round in it, flossing on it. This diamond, my diamond, this rock.
Hey Good Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another unit review as promised. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm not going to record the intro for this, so we're just going to jump in. So we have from the Prime collection from Zury Sis. The Prime collection is going to be the Human Hair Natural Mix. And we have a soft Swiss lace 4x4 inch free parting in the style Hazel. So that's Hazel right there. And I got her in some T99J. And I mean, I would love to get the orange copper, but yeah, that's not work friendly. It's not work appropriate. Doesn't fit in the dress code. So I'm sorry guys, as I said in my other video, I'm like, I still have a little bit of that caffeine flowing through me, and I'm like extremely tired, so I get extremely goofy. So you are getting the goofy personality in these two videos. So she comes in this gorgeous lilac color box because we are royalty, we're queens. Okay, and so she's in there very nice and neat. All right guys, I'm sorry if my background is noisy. My kids are here, so I was kid-free the other day, but they're back. I love those rascals. But anyway, here's a stock card in case anyone is interested in seeing. And then there's the bag. So it has, you know, your typical standard care instructions. And then, of course, it lists all the colors that she's available in. So this is Miss Hazel right here. She feels very, very soft. She has a light yaki feel to her. So yeah. So the Some RT99J means that she does not come with dark roots. So in case anyone was wondering about that. So she does come with the soft Swiss lace. And there's the 4x4 parting area right there. And then you have the two combs, and then adjustable straps to comb in the back. So, you know, your typical standard rig construction. And then she does come with baby hairs. So if you can see right there. And of course, if the baby hairs are too long for you, cut them, customize them to your liking. So I'm going to go ahead and try to take this lace off without cutting off the baby hairs, and then I'll be right back to show you what she looks like on. Guys, I have never concentrated so much on cutting lace off in my life. Like, the sleep deprivation is real. Like, the struggle's real. Okay, so with this one, it has a 4x4 parting, but there is like that silk covering, so you won't, I mean, if you try to put powder underneath, I don't know if it's going to really show. It's going to be really difficult. So we're going to see. I did go ahead and, you know, unhook the adjustable straps because I got a big head. So let's go ahead and slip Miss Hazel on here. And Miss Hazel's not, she's not an old unit, but she's not new. She came out, when did Biz come out? Was that earlier this year Biz came out? Zury Sis Biz? Or was that end of last year? I don't even know. I don't even know what year we're in right now. I'm kidding, guys. But Hazel came like out like right after I think Biz did. So she feels, like I said, she feels very, very, very soft, you guys. She fits really comfortable on the head, so she's pretty big head friendly. She comes all the way to the edge there, so that's good. Where are the combs at? The combs are in a good area. I do use combs on my head. I haven't had any problems of any of the units you know, snagging my edges or anything like that. So that's good. That's the middle part right there. Let's see if we part her over here. No, she has a really good, she has a decent hairline, guys. Or I shouldn't say hairline. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna say she has decent parting space. Oh my gosh. Now, as far as the hairline, okay, now we're really talking about the hairline. The hairline can use some work. I feel like she's just really straight across there. Let me get it a little closer. I'm going to, I should have did this before I cut the lace, but oh well. There's a little humpage going on. But you could just spray that down with water and tie down a scarf or use a flat iron to get rid of that humpage. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pluck this hairline. Trying to move the baby hairs out of the way. So I'm going to not pluck it, but you know, take some, just do the wraparound method and try to make that look a little bit more natural. Alright guys, so I am done removing hair, and look, this is what I removed from the hairline, guys. So that is a lot. I don't know if you can see the difference through the camera, but hopefully you can on that hairline. Okay, and again, be careful because this is soft lace. And now we're gonna go ahead and lay down the baby hairs. I'm trying to think, I'm not gonna put, if you want, you can put foundation or concealer or powder underneath, since we did clean up this lace area, kind of hide those knots. I'm gonna try to lay the baby hairs first and then see if I can use powder on top. I'm gonna try to do that, see how that method works. Hopefully it works, since I'm about to use this got to be glued gel on these edges, because you know, once you lay, they're laid. Okay, so I am back. I laid the baby hairs down and tied them down with the scarf. So let's play around with some styles. So it's not the 13x4, but it is, like I said, a 4x4. So of course she can do the half up, half down. Guys, ignore my ponytail holder. I don't have a regular one. All the kids have taken them, stretched them out, so I just use this. I mean, you get the gist of what I'm trying to do. So. And plus it makes it easier to take it out of the hair. So, yeah, anyway. This hair is super soft, you guys. Like if I was to straighten out my hair, you know, go to the salon, pay them to straighten out my hair and flat iron it, this is how it would feel. Like it feels so good. I don't really know if they're shedding, because you know I'm special right now, so me and lace we had some issues, so we struggled a bit. So I don't know if she's shedding because she's a shedder, or because I don't know how to cut lace at this time of night right now. So but anyway, so here's, you know, your typical half up, half down, and there's the middle part. And if you want that super flat, you're definitely gonna have to, I don't want to repeat myself, but you know, to get that sleek middle part look. So of course I forgot my powder and everything. So I'm going to use some eyeshadow that I have in here, and hope this. I mean, eyeshadow will work. I just gotta find the right color to put in there. Ooh. Okay, so I added some powder to my part, and I also added some powder to the lace, because you can see the knots, especially the knots where the baby hairs come out. So make sure you cover that up, either putting powder or foundation concealer on top, or putting it underneath, or both. You know, sandwich it in there. Make sure it's covered.
Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless.
All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and bring this to a close. We're going to conclude Miss Hazel here. Oh, I forgot to put the length. She's probably about 18 inches. So she's long, but not that long. So she's a really good length, and she's, oh gosh, she's so soft, you guys, so soft. So I hope she stays like this for a while, but it's probably because of that human hair blend that's giving her that soft feel and that premium synthetic fiber mixed with that human hair. So my hands just gliding through her like butter. Look at that, just butter. All right, guys. So yeah, let me hop off of here. If you have any questions about Miss Hazel, you know what to do. Just go down, get into the comment section, and I will get back to you guys. And I'm so excited. I have like other units headed this way. So I don't know which order you're gonna watch these videos in, so I'm gonna repeat myself here. We are headed into the busiest time of year for retail. So I don't know how often I'll be able to upload during the holiday season. So I'm trying to cram as much as I can now. Just thank you so much for watching this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit notifications so you know when a new video is headed your way, especially because of this, like I already explained about the uploading and stuff like that. So that way you can know that something's there for you to watch, right? All right, so don't forget to share this video as well. And if you like Miss Hazel, who feels like a butter, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And we're gonna head off of here and go have a very, 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 very late night movie night, and then sleep in really late tomorrow. So guys, until next time, bye.
Mom said bye. Bye.
Please ignore her face. She's playing with my makeup. She doesn't normally look like this, and it's the end of the day, so ignore her hair as well. All right, guys.